So far, really good pull from the 4-cylinder. The turbo definitely helps out, and the 6-speed is a lot more tame than I would have expected. The shifts were precise, no hesitation, no shudder, anything like that, so that's really good. So really good power for this being such a small car. The 1.4 liter definitely does what it needs to do. And the steering wheel feels really great. I love these RS steering wheels. So right now, we're probably gonna be getting around 32 or 33 miles to the gallon on the highway. And of course, that's all based on speed, if the AC is on, any incline, depending if it's up or down. But we're getting right in the mid-30s right now. And the ride, for it being a small car that gets such great fuel economy, I don't feel like I'm in a smaller vehicle. I feel like I'm in a Cruise, maybe even a Malibu, comparative to the Chevys, just by how well it's driving. And the brakes feel really good. They have really good pull without slinging you all over the place. And all in all, the ride has just been really good. You're pretty low to the ground, but even with that, the ride is really smooth, and the suspension does a good job at just taking the road like it's supposed to be taken. Nothing crazy. And coming down this back road, we're getting somewhere in the 30s again. Yeah, just a really nice ride. And this is gonna be something that you probably would want to go for if you're wanting something that gets really good gas mileage, commutes well, and isn't necessarily as bare bones as the Chevy Spark. And I can definitely adjust the seat where it needs to be for someone of my size. But that brings us to an end of my review of the 2020 Sonic LT RS.